Ahead of ensuing Lok Sabha polls, unknown miscreants have been issuing threats in various valley areas. Subsequently, unknown miscreants opened blank fire at the residence of former President, Kurai Block Congress Committee and former member of Zilla Parishad. According to SKTV News, the incident occurred at the residence of Kumabam Sanajauba, 70 years, at Kanglasagom Sang Makhalekai in Imphal East District under the jurisdiction of Lamlai Police Station last night around 9:30 p.m. The report further said that the miscreants came in a bolero and fired 3 rounds of bullets. Meanwhile, today around 10:30 a.m., another unknown miscreants opened fired numerous rounds of bullets at the residence of Athokpam Okendro at Siraj Lekai along Kurai Tinsit Road. However, no casualties have been reported. An investigation has begun in connection with the incident.